Question number 2. Formulate the following problems as a pair of equations and find their solution. Third part. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partially by train and partially by bus. She took train and bus to go to her home, which is 300 km far. She travels 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and remaining by bus. 4 hours she takes if she go 60 km by train and remaining means 300 minus 60, 240 km by bus. If she travels 100 km by train she travels 100 km and remaining 300 minus 100 means 200 by bus. She takes 10 minutes longer, means she takes 4 hours and 10 minutes. Find the speed of train and bus. Very important question, see carefully. Whatever is asked, that you assume. Let speed of train is equal to x km per hour and speed of bus is y km per hour. You have assumed it. Now, according to question, Ruhi travels 300 km, distance is 300 km, and she travelled partially by train and partially by bus, and she took 4 hours. 4 hours time is required. If she travels 60 km by train she travels 60 km. So distance travelled by train is 60 km and distance travelled by bus remaining means 300 minus 60, that is 240 km. Now in this time is given. So you know speed is equal to distance over time. So time will be equal to distance over speed. So according to this speed of train and distance of by train, you will find the time of train. You will find, I am writing TT for train and BB for bus. So time for T train will be distance, that is 60 for train, over speed of train is x. So this is the time for train. Now time for bus B will be, distances for bus 240, so 240, and speed for bus is y, so 240 over y. Total time given means 60 over x plus 240 over y is given 4. So this is very important part, how you got time of T, distance of T, train over speed of train, time of bus, distance travelled by bus over speed of bus. So this is the first equation. So this first equation you have to reduce. So firstly you will give it name equation first. Note down, then I will rub and solve further. Now distance again is 300 km and time is 10 minutes longer, means 4 hours are there only and 10 minutes. So 4, 10 and minutes you are converting into hours, so you will take here 60 because in 1 hour 60 minutes are there, and minutes you are converting into hours, so 60 you have to take downside. Now mixed form came, 6 into 4, 24 plus 1, 25 over 6 hours are the time for the second case. And distance travelled by train is 100 km, so you will write here 100 km, and remaining is, total is 300 minus 100, that is 200 km. It is travelled by bus. Distance travelled by bus is 200 km. Now time for train will be, now again you know speed is equal to distance over time, so time is equal to distance over speed, that means 100, distance by train is 100 and speed of train is x. So 100 over x, time for bus, distance of bus over speed of bus, that is y. So according to question, 100 over x plus 200 over y came equal to 25 by 6. Because time is given both the cases, so you have to convert for time for train and bus. So you have to use this formula, time is equal to distance over speed. I hope up to this you have understood. Now note down and I will solve further. Now first equation I have written here 60 over x plus 240 over y is equal to 4, and second equation we got 100 over x plus 200 over y is equal to 25 by 6. Now you have to solve it by reducing them to linear equation. So let 1 over x is equal to a and 1 over y is equal to b. you will put in first and second equation. You will get 60a plus 240y, 240b is equal to 400a plus 200b is equal to 25 by 6. Suppose this is third equation, this is fourth equation. Now multiply, because you want to equate the coefficient of a, then only you can use the elimination method. So multiply equation 3 by 10 and equation 4 by 6. You will get coefficient of a 600, then you can solve easily. So you will get 6 into 10 600 plus 240 into 10 2400 and 4 into 10 40. Then 6 you will multiply this full equation, you will get 600a plus 1200b is equal to, now 25 over 6 into 6, 6 will be cancelled, you will get 25 only. Then subtract it, this will be cancelled, you will get 1200. B is equal to 40 minus 25 15. So B will come 15 over 1200. Now 15 8s are 120. So you will get B value 1 over 80. I am writing here B value is 1 over 80. Now put B is equal to 1 over 80 in any of the equations. So put B is equal to 1 over 80 in equation 3. You can put in 4 also. You will get 60a plus 240 into 1 over 80 is equal to 4. 0 0 cancel, 8 3s are 24. So 60a plus 3 is equal to 4. So 60a is equal to 4 minus 3, that is 1. So a will come 1 over 60. Up to here you note down, then I will rub and solve further. Now B came 1 over 80 and A came 1 over 60. You will put here, because 1 over x is 1 over A. So 1 over x is equal to 1 by 60 and 1 over y is B. So B is 1 over 80. Now 1 over x is 1 by 60. That means x is equal to 60. Both you can take reciprocal and y came 80. Now x you took speed of train. So speed of train is equal to 60 km per hour. Because x came 60, and speed of bus you took y is 80 km per hour. So 80 and km per hour. So this is the answer. Speed of train is 60 km per hour and speed of bus is 18 km per hour. Thank you.